Hello everyone, welcome to Moving to the Georgia Mountains. If you're joining me on this adventure for the first time, consider clicking that subscribe button, smash that like icon, and ring the notification bell for fresh videos. And don't forget to add a comment below. I'm here to help. I'm Toby, your go-to realtor here in the Georgia Mountains. Today I'm going to break down the different renovation loan options available to you here in the mountains. We'll discuss the pros, cons, the eligibility, maximum amounts, down payments, and more. Ready to roll up your sleeves and grab that hammer and those wrenches? Well, then let's get started. First, let's talk about FHA 203K Rehab Loans. These loans are designed to help homeowners finance and repair home improvements. They come in two flavors, the standard 203K for larger projects and the limited 203K for smaller renovations. For a 203K loan, you'll need a credit score of at least 620. The maximum loan amount for the standard 203K is 50% of the projected value of the home after renovations, but not exceeding FHA loan limits, while the limited 203K is capped at $35,000. These loans come with different terms between 15 and 30 years, which make monthly payments more affordable. So the pros of the 203K, you can finance both the purchase of the home and renovations in one loan. The cons, you'll pay upfront and ongoing mortgage insurance premiums, and the process can be complicated, requiring additional consultations and inspections for the draws, and these loans are limited to primary residencies only. Next up, the Fannie Mae HomeStyle loan. Like the 203K, it allows you to bundle purchase and renovation costs into a single loan product. The minimum credit scores were usually around 620. The maximum loan amount for a HomeStyle loan can go up to 50% of the after renovation value ARV within the conforming loan limits, which as of 2023 is $726,200 in most counties here in the mountains. The pros of HomeStyle loans, they can be used for almost any type of renovation, including luxury upgrades. Down payments may be as low as 3%, and unlike your 203K, you can also use the HomeStyle loan for investment or secondary homes. Then we have Freddie Mac CHOICERenovation loans. Similar to their counterparts at Fannie, this loan type will allow for as little as 5% down, an extended time for the renovation work of up to 12 months, while Fannie allows you just 6 months, a minimum score of 660, and the best for last, the loan amount can be as high as 75% of the after renovation value within the non-conforming limit. Of course, there's also a special product to support our veterans, the VA Renovation Loan. The maximum loan amount is 35% of the after renovation value, again within the limits of the conforming loan. The property must have been owned for at least 12 months, and luxury upgrades are unfortunately not supported. Your minimum score for this product is 620, and your project must complete within 4 months. And no, you cannot use this loan for an investment property. For rural areas, which pretty much all of the Georgia mountains are considered to be, we have the USDA or US Department of Agriculture Renovation Loan, which is sweet because it has no maximum loan amount, and the loan is only approved if your household income is under certain regional levels. This loan only comes as a 30-year term and requires a minimum score of 640 and can only be used for the primary residence. And finally, probably our most flexible option is a Renovation Home Equity loan with a 5% down payment and practically no other limit than your after renovation value. Typically, you'll need a score of at least 700 and terms go up to 20 years. This product is the most flexible and varies from lender to lender in accordance to their individual internal guidelines. So here you have it, the secret sauce for creating wealth in real estate here in the beautiful Georgia mountains and many other parts of the country. Let me add a word of caution. This video is not intended to give you specific advice. Neither am I a mortgage loan specialist. However, I care for my clients and I want you to make the most out of your real estate. Remodeling, upgrades can increase the equity in your home more than what it costs to implement them. This is where I would sit down with you, look at your property and help you analyze what upgrades make sense and which ones should be avoided. And I'd be happy to help you connect with the right lenders that offer these special superpower loan products we just went over. Thank you for watching all the way until the end of this video. I hope you got value out of it. If that is the case, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting, and take care until I see you the next time. This is Toby, and dare to dream big.